Welcome to skibidirot.com.
Bruh.
So basically, skibidirot is the ultimate cloud code sound completion. You know when you run your cloud code but you don't know when it's finished or done? Now you can choose from 41 sounds. Yeah. Any sound that you want. I specifically like this one. Price at $9.99, but then you can also get it for free. Yes, free if you make a reel and tag me and then hashtag skibidirot. And then if your video gets 2,000 views, you get 50% off. And then if you get 20,000 views, you get full price refund. Just email at hi@skibidirot.com and we'll send you the money. So you want to download the Mac app. Okay, here we go. Download it, install. Okay, now we have skibidirot install. Skibidirot, yeah. Now it's up here. Done. So first you wanna buy a license, right? So this is the page. Just make the payment, and then after you're done, you'll be given the activation code. Alright, so here is where you will get the activation code. So you want to copy the license, activate, and then that's it. You're good to go. You can click reinstall hook just in case. Then let's say I want to use the bruh. Okay, just click that and you're set. So now let's launch cloud code. Hi, spawn. Yeah, bruh. Then if you want to change, you just click on, let's say this one, fa. Yo. skibidirot.com. Let's make coding fun again. Peace out.